Let's talk about some of the features of this intelligent toilet. When we check the user manual, it talks about all the parts. As you can see, here is the food sensor. This is the toilet, the heating seat sensor over there, and cleaner, rear and front wash, and warm dryer right over here. Cover, caution, rotated switch. Either you can do rear or front. Power plug, T-valve, water valve, and hose. Let's check the toilet. Here is my toilet area. When you first enter the room, there is food sensor, and it's going to be activated right there. Food sensor, and this is going to open. Basically, it's going to make it ready for you. There you go. This is the remote controller. Let's check it out. When you press front, it's gonna wash the front area. This is for the rear, dryer, and flush. If you wanna stop it, that's the button. When you press this button, it's gonna open or close the cover. Close or open. Or you can open the seat or close the seat. Let's check the side. We have the nozzle forward, water pressure, nozzle backward, water pressure. And here is nozzle clean. Now it's going to clean the nozzle. Here is the massage area, H and C. And here is the night light. We can go ahead and turn off the light and close the door. Let's see. Let's check the night light. That's the night light. That's perfect. Check this out. And we also have the night light right there. It's perfect. Air temperature, water temperature, seat temperature, air temperature, let's see, 95, 113, 131, 113, 95, and off. Let's check the water temperature, 98, 102, 98, 93, and off. How about seat temperature, 98, 102, 98, 93, and off. Here are all the explanations for the remote controller. It talks about everything. When you open the seat, automatically opens. You don't have to use the remote controller, and there is sensor over there. Whenever you sit down, it's gonna detect and everything is gonna be ready for you. Let's explain this knob and the button. There we go, power button and stop button at the same time. When you rotate it backward, you're gonna have front wash. When you rotate it forward, you're gonna have rear wash. It talks about how it's working. And this is for the flash. If you wanna do emergency flash, what you need to do is put the battery at the back and press and hold over there, and it's gonna flash whenever you have no electricity. These are some of the features. As you can see, the first one, auto flash, food sensor flash, night light, automatic deodorization, drying with flash. We also have digital display right there, and dryer function, power saving eco, foam shield, ambient lighting, 4-season comfort. When you accidentally press front or rear, it's not gonna work. It's because I'm not sitting right there. Let's see. It's not gonna work. Like that. And let's close those seats. And I will go ahead and pretend I'm sitting down like that. Right now it is making everything ready for you. And we're gonna put the foam over there. When you have the foam, it's not gonna splash anywhere. That's why. And let's try front wash. expanding like that. You can see. How about rear wash? Let's see. That's the rear wash. As you can see, the front one is front wash and the back one is rear wash. How about dryer? Now it's starting working right there. And right. That's automatic flash. Let's use power saving eco. Long press night light. Here is the night light. Long press. Now eco mode is activated. When you long press night light, it's gonna activate the eco mode. After 30 minutes, you're gonna see eco mode over there. Now we can go ahead and check foam shield option. Here is the area, you can take it out. This is only decorative cover. To the right side and take it out. As you can see, it's perfect. Here is the area. You can put some soap in it. I'll go ahead and put some. I already put enough. Now we can close the cover. Before we close it, you're gonna see eco and other things over there on the LCD display. There you go. Close it and push it to the left. That's it. Now we have foam. There we go. Now let's go ahead and activate the foam shield function. Long press the seat temperature button. Where is seat? Right there. Long press. And now let's activate it. Perfect. Whenever you sit down, basically, it's gonna put some foam and it's not gonna splash. Here we go. Long press the nozzle backward. Let's go ahead and nozzle backward. Long press. Let's see the changes. One more time. Wow, look at that. It's perfect. We have 4 colors. That's it. Alrighty. And we have 4 season comfort. Long press the air temperature button to turn on and off 4 season comfort function. Let's see air temperature. Now it's activated. Let's check electrolyzed water sterilization. It says long press the nozzle forward to turn on or off the function to electrolyze the water. Close the lid around 90 seconds after the seat and activate the atomization electrolyte water sterilization function. Let's see, nozzle forward. And we're going to go ahead and close. It says close the lid around 90 seconds. Let's go ahead and close it. And wait for 90 seconds after the seat close and activate the atomization. Let's wait a little bit. Now I'm gonna show you thermal camera and we can see how fast it's gonna heat. First of all, when I come over here, it's gonna open, right? And right now all the temperatures are closed. Right now all the temperatures are deactivated for the seat, water and air temperature. Let's see the seat temperature. Okay, seat temperature is 0 degrees right now. And we can change it to, and we're gonna see the difference. Right now it's getting hotter and hotter. Now I will demonstrate. I'm just gonna put my foot right there. It thinks I'm right now using the restroom. First of all, the foam option, and we can check the seat temperature. Currently, right now it's 98. Let's see how it's gonna change. It's increasing. Let me increase it to 102 Fahrenheit degrees. That's the maximum, 102. How about water temperature? Yes, the maximum temperature is for all of them, 102. Now I'm going to use the front one, and we can see the water temperature. As you can see, water is very hot. It is warm. Let's stop it. And try to use dryer function. Dryer is right now 113. Right over here. Okay, for the air temperature, the top one is 131. You can see it right there. It's already hotter. Right there. It's already hotter. It's right over here. Alright guys, as you can see, this toilet is very intelligent. We have so many functions on the remote controller. Whenever you enter the toilet, it's going to open it automatically. And it's going to be ready for you whenever you sit down. Let me show it to you. Now everything is ready. Foam is over there. It's not going to splash the urine or your waste. This has seasonal temperatures, but according to the season, it's going to change the temperature. And we have the front wash, rear wash, and also we have the dryer. Let me go ahead and turn off the lights. Let's see. Currently we have the LED light right there and the ambient light right there. This is very satisfying. Everything is clean and it doesn't take up too much space. You don't need to worry about everything. It's because your toilet, intelligent toilet, is doing everything for you. Definitely suggest it. Last thing we're gonna do is put the remote controller holder somewhere here. Yeah, like that. And we're gonna put it right over here. That's it. Now it's perfect.